All right, I want to show you the brand new Crockpot that we just bought. We actually bought it because we've been needing a new Crockpot, and we were going to a party, and my husband wanted to cook something, so we had to get it because the one we had before we threw away. This is the box, as you can see right there. Just a good brand. First of all, I like the size of this. This is the 8-quarter. My husband made some roast in there. But I like the fact that it's really simple. It's like high, low, warm. It's not overcomplicated. It's just really, really easy to use. There's a timer on there. But honestly, my two favorite parts are the fact that you can, get this on right, you can clamp this down. And so if you're traveling, that's really, really nice. If you're taking it to like the church potluck or somebody's house or something for dinner, it's really nice to have that. And then that way you're not worried as you're traveling. Is it falling over? Is it getting gross? Is it spilling everywhere? Love that. I didn't have that on my previous one. Also, the front of this is a chalkboard. And so it comes with chalk, which I currently can't find because my kids took it. But you can write on there. I hate it when you're looking at a crock pot and you don't know what, you're at like a lunch thing and you don't know what's in there. You could write on there, chicken tortilla soup, or this dish contains nuts, or I love you, Happy Valentine's Day, whatever. You can write all that stuff on there. That's pretty cool, right?